Hello, friends. Welcome to the next short story. The title of the story is Find Your Inner Peace.
The owner of a coffee shop had been busy all day. Being Saturday, his shop was very crowded and the customer seemed unending. He had been on his toes since morning. Towards the evening, he felt a splitting headache surfacing. As the clock ticked away, his headache worsened. Unable to bear it, he stepped out of the shop, leaving his staff to look after the sales. He walked across the street to the pharmacy to buy himself a painkiller to relieve his headache. He swallowed the pill and felt relieved. He knew that in a few minutes he would feel better. As he strolled out of the shop, he casually asked the salesgirl, "Where is the chemist? He is not at the cash counter today." The girl replied, "Sir, he was having a splitting headache and said he was going across to your coffee shop. He said a cup of hot coffee would relieve him of his headache." The man's mouth went dry and he mumbled, "Oh, I see. This is a typical case of looking outside ourselves for something that we have within us." How strange, but true. The chemist relieves his headache by drinking coffee, and the coffee shop owner relieves his headache by taking a pill. Similarly, many of us travel across the lengths and breadths of the earth and also visit various shrines and holy places to find peace. Eventually, we come to realize that peace is with us at all times in our own heart and mind. Peace comes from being connected with ourselves and being grateful for what we have with us. Good morning. Have a peaceful day. God bless you all. Thank you for listening to my stories.